Tonight's whole food meal is braised short ribs, carrots, and mashed potatoes.
First step was to salt and pepper the short ribs thoroughly. Then I added a pad of ghee to a high heat pan and seared the short ribs on all sides. Add a nice render going. Then I'll crush up some garlic and slice it up. Add that to the pan.
Just forgot to film cutting up those carrots, so...
Carrots add just a little bit of sweetness. Then I'll salt it, use plenty of water, cover it up, and cook it on 350 for 3 to 4 hours. When it's done, it should be fork tender. Next, I'll peel some potatoes, dice them up, and then I'll boil them until they're fork tender. Mash them up, mix in some butter, add just a bit of salt.
Let's give it a try.
And enjoy.
Super tender. Come right off the bone. No problem. Carrot. Delicious as always. Mashed potato. Could use some salt. Combo. Cheers.